The topic we are going to discuss about is chemistry of hydrocarbons, and the subtopic is free radical reaction. So what is halogenation? Alkanes react with chlorine and bromine in the presence of sunlight or UV light or at high temperature, resulting in the successive replacement of hydrogen atoms with halogens called halogenation. Extent of halogenation depends upon the amount of halogen used. So if we talk about the rates of reaction, reactions of alkanes with F2 is highly violent and results in the mixture of carbon, fluorinated alkanes, hydrofluoric acid. Iodine does not substitute directly because reaction is slow and reversible. Usually फ्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्शन बहुत विग्रस होता है जबकि आयोडीन के साथ रिएक्शन स्लो और रिवर्सिबल होता है. That's why we prefer chlorine or bromine. That's why the order of reactivity would be fluorine, then chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Fluorine would be too vigorous, iodine would be too much slow, and chlorine and bromine would be effective. Let's see the steps of halogenation. Halogenation is believed to proceed through free radical mechanism, involves following steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. In the first step, that is initiation, chlorine bond is broken and we generate chloride ions. Then is propagation. Methane के साथ chloride free radical act करता है and it makes methyl free radical and HCl. Then that methyl free radical will react with again chlorine molecule and it will form methyl chloride and chlorine free radical. And the last step would be termination, जिसमें methyl free radical क्लोराइड फ्री रेडिकल के साथ कंबाइन करते हुए मिथाइल क्लोराइड बना देगा. ऑथर मेंशंस अबाउट द प्रोपगेशन स्टेप जिसमें मिथेन रिएक्ट करता है क्लोरीन के साथ और मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट होता है. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी जनरेट अ क्लोराइड फ्री रेडिकल. By repetition of this step, a mixture of halogen substituted products are obtained. That's why this reaction is not synthetically important. Let's learn its mechanism. First, chlorine free radical मीथेन के साथ react करेगा and it will break this bond. So chlorine के साथ जो CH2 free radical generate हो जाएगा और HCl generate हो जाएगा. In the next step, this free radical will react with chlorine molecule and it will generate a chloride free radical, and that chloride free radical will react with this molecule and will form two substituted chlorine molecule. Then वो मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें दो एटम्स क्लोरीन के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट हो चुके थे वो रिएक्ट करेंगे दोबारा से क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल के साथ एंड इट विल जनरेट क्लोरोफॉर्म और क्लोराइड फ्री रेडिकल. एंड देन ये जो क्लोराइड फ्री रेडिकल है ये रिएक्ट करेगा दोबारा से क्लोरोफॉर्म के साथ एंड इट विल फॉर्म टेट्राक्लोरोमीथेन या कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. So here we have a practice MCQ. The extent of halogenation of alkanes depends upon the factors, and the options are intensity of light, concentration of halogen, temperature, and none of these. And the correct option is concentration of X2. So this was all about the chain reaction. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.